Hi, we are Animation Hack and welcome to the course. This course is third course of series creating hard surface aircraft for film production. Today we're going to look at texturing in Substances Painter and Autodesk Maya. Substances Painter is a very powerful 3D texture painting application. It can be used to create visuals for material, special effects on shader, and texturing for game and film, which provides an overview of texturing and rendering 3D graphics in the production, beginning with a tour of the interface Animation Hacks shows. In this course, we'll take a look at the basics of the Substance Painter interface, and then we'll dive into texturing. How to create and edit basic texture, the material effect on surfaces, and apply smart materials and textures. We'll go over layer, smart masks, smart materials in Substance Painter, so you can build your own materials and shader. Probably one of the best things about Substances Painter is that it makes procedural effect creation. It can share the smart materials. We'll also take a look at how to create glossy, reflective, and glass materials, as well as how to apply masks to your material and how to bake them in the Substance Painter. So let's go ahead and get started with Autodesk Maya and Substances Painter.